guys, so today's little video is for you men out there. I'm going to talk to you about how to take care of your skin, and what I've done for that is I've also put a kit together that's going to make it easy for you. It's a kit of 5 items that I'm going to tell you how to use the products and what it's going to do for your skin. So it's really important that you take care of your skin. We don't want to age. We want to keep our skin healthy and protected and look good, right? So here are the products for you guys to be using on your face every single day. The first one is the cleanser, the K cleanser. Now, what the K cleanser looks like is a gel, right? And the great thing about the K cleanser is that this is something that you can shave with as well. It's a great product for shaving. So the most important time to cleanse your skin is after you've been out in the day. So in the morning when you get up, if you just want to rinse your face with water, then that's okay. But for nighttime, you want to make sure that you're really cleansing your skin well, and that is working the cleanser into the skin, counting to 30 seconds. Do really well around the nose, because the nose area is an area where you get a lot of blackheads usually, and you want to make sure you're doing around the ears as well. So it's a really important area to make sure that you're cleaning well, okay? And then what you do after you work that into your skin, either you're going to shave with it on your face, you can use a good amount to shave, or you're going to take a warm wet washcloth and put it under a clean washcloth, put it under a tap, wring it out well, warm water, and take your cleanser off onto that. The second step is going to be the healing gel. Now the healing gel is a light aloe-based gel, also a green gel. It is great for after shaving. It's great for if you get irritated. It's great if you get a few ingrown hairs. It's mostly aloe vera, and aloe vera is soothing, it's calming, it's hydrating, but it's so soothing and calming. And a lot of the time when you get red and irritated on the skin, you know, you want to make sure you're putting something soothing and calming on that's not going to be burning and make your skin all red and sensitive. So the healing gel is a great product for after shaving. It's also a great product if you get a little bit sunburned. It's a great product. So that is something that you can use every single day after you wash your face in the morning and at nighttime before you go to bed. Now, what is also in the kit, the third product, is a moisturizer. It's a light, non-comedogenic moisturizer. And what that means is it doesn't clog the pores. So, you know, you just want something light that's going to protect your skin, that's going to hydrate your skin, but not leave a lot of stick on your face. So the moisturizer, it's light, it's hydrating, but it's non-comedogenic, so it's not going to clog your pores, and that's really important. It comes in a little pump, with a pump like this, so it's easy for application, very light in color, as I said, just very, very light. Doesn't leave the skin sticky afterwards, it's just very comfortable and very nice. The next product that you're going to put on is your eye product, this one here. Now the eye product, it looks like this, the eye gel. It's yellow in color. It has properties in it that really help with dark circles, but it really helps with little lines. And the one thing about guys, you know, they have these whiskers here, which keeps that jawline really strong and that skin there strong and sturdy. But the eye area on a guy is the area that's going to age faster than anything else. So you want to make sure when you're putting your eye product on, you only need a small amount, tiny bit, but you want to make sure you put in a complete circle around your eyes. And it's important to put on your eyelids as well as it is underneath. And it helps with those little lines, and it's really important. So if you can do that at least once a day, that's great. I mean, twice a day is ideal, but once a day is good too. So it's important. You don't need a lot, you just need a little bit, but put it in a complete circle around your eyes. And then the last product is your sunscreen, which is this one right here, the sunscreen. The sunscreen is an SPF 40. And what I've chosen for you guys is to give you the one that's slightly tinted. It does not look like makeup on the skin. It just goes into the skin, very natural. Again, it's not a creamy, sticky product, so it goes on and it will be mattified on your face. But the great thing about this one is it just blends in with your skin tone. A lot of the white, pasty, opaque type sunscreens, they get stuck in the beard, so, or the whiskers. So you don't want to have that sort of white pasty look, but you do want to put sunscreen on, and you want to be really thorough when putting sunscreen on. You want to make sure you put it well on your nose. You want to make sure you put it on your ear, the tops of your ears. You want to make sure you're putting it, if you're receding a little bit or you have a larger forehead like me, you want to make sure that you put it on your forehead really well, because you know the sun is aging. We all know that, apart from the dangers of it in what the UVA does and the UVB in burning and the skin cancers. You want to protect your skin, and using sunscreen is really, really important every single day. You know, whether you've got your roof down, especially if you live here in California, we have so much sun. So it's really important that you protect your skin, and that is the men's kit. So that's going to help you guys and help your skin be great. You don't want to have large pores when you get older. You don't want to have ruddiness, and you know, you want to keep your skin healthy, and you know, it's youthful. And whether you're a guy or a girl, we all want to look youthful. So that's a men's kit, and 5 items. Bye.